Namaskar friends, today we are showing you mild steel testing panels. These panels are used for testing the coating quality. Now any type of coating quality, whatever you are using, for example you are doing spray painting, powder coating, or you are doing CED coating or any other type of coating, to ensure the quality of your process production, this paint testing panels will help you. You can see this all are cut in a size. So the size of these panels are 150 mm by 75 mm and the thickness of this panel is 0.8 mm. So and you can see the side of the panels are also in curved. These panels are very useful, economical and easy to use. With this panels you can do different type of testing. So this will come with this type of packing. So the minimum quantity order is 100 pieces. So you can very well place this order online or you can contact us directly. So we have our website, you can very well contact us. So these panels are readily available with us. Now we will see how we are going to check the different type of quality standards. So here you can see this panels was painted white color. Now this is the bare panel and this one is the white painted panel. So what you can do, you can on the back side of this panel you can make a note also by sticking the any stickers and all, where you can mention the trials detail. So now what we will do, see this is the black panel and this one is the white panel. So here we have this one is the bare panel and these two panels are painted, one black and another one is white. So now we will check the color and we will see how we will check the color or the shade of this panels. So at the time what we will do, we took our colorimeter. Now we are calibrating this colorimeter first. So everything you can see it is 00. Now what we will do, we will use one of the panel. See we are taking this one is the black color panel which we painted earlier. Now what we will do, we will make it as a standard. So it will read the color, whatever the painting we have done on that. So it read the color. Now you see this is the standard. This is our going to be the standard color. Now with this standard color we will check with the other panels which we have made and we will see whether this is matching the color or not, the shade is matching or not. So everything it will check. See here it is showing the green, the delta value is less than 1. So this color is matching, the shade is matching with the panel. Now this is the white one. We just want to show you that if the color was not matched, then what is going to happen. So now it will show you, see it is showing you right now the delta value is more than 1, so it is rejected. So by this type of testing, you can very well check whether the production you are doing, the shades are matching or not, the color which we are using, whether it is the correct color or not. So here also we can check the gloss values. So here we will just show you how we can check the gloss value on these panels. Here we are showing you that how we can check the gloss value with this panel. See this is showing the high gloss. So again on the other panel, if you are going to checking different type of quality checking you can do on these panels. Now how this panel can help you? This panel can help you for your color sampling, shade checking, adhesion checking, DFT checking and gloss checking also. So n numbers of different type of testing you can do on these panels, and these panels are very cost effective and easy to use. So dear friends, be connected. We will have lot of different type of panels also with us, like metal panel I show you right now. We also have a plastic panels. So next video we will show you the plastic panels like PC, ABS panels are also available in black and white colors. So keep in touch and happy coating. Thank you.